Hello everyone, my name is HM Rahidul Islam Ryan, student ID 242355622, and I'm with my team members MD Ahnaf Ahmed Johin, MD Ikramul Bashir Tasin, Rifat Mahmoud Iman. We are presenting our project titled Smart Parking System under the supervision of Rahatuddin Azad, lecturer of Software Engineering Department, Daffodil International University. Now let's talk about the problem we are solving. Traditionally, parking system rely on manual, paper-based entry and exit logs. There is no real-time visibility of slot availability, payment, or cash only, which makes traffic difficult. There is no digital history of vehicle, and gate congestion is common during peak hours, with no reports available for management. To solve this, we built Smart Park, a web-based smart parking system. It provides a live dashboard for 60 slots across car, bike, and EV categories. Digital slot reservation, automated entry and exit with automatic fee calculation, digital payment tracking, searchable parking history, and built-in reports for better decision making. Our system has 4 key stakeholders: the admin or parking authority, the vehicle owner or customer, security or gate staff, and management. In terms of requirements, our functional requirements include user login and authentication, a real-time slot dashboard, reservation management, entry and exit with fee calculation, payment tracking, and report generation. On the other hand, the non-functional side, we focused on a responsive UI for both desktop and mobile, fast and reliable performance, secure login, protected access, a simple user-friendly interface, and scalability for future slot or vehicle type. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is MD Ikramul Bashir Tasin. My student ID is 242-35504. Our project name is Smart Parking System. At first, let's see the use case diagram of our project. There are 2 main characters, customer and admin. The customers can park their vehicle in the parking ground, and the admin manages the vehicle type, parking slot status. Admin also manages vehicle entry, exit, reservation, date and time, and revenue. Admin can also check parking history, view parking slot, manage profile and settings. Now let me talk about the technology used in our project. We used HTML, CSS, JS, VS Code and GitHub in our project. We used HTML for the structure of our application. CSS is used for designing and styling the application and the user interface. We used JS for application logic and user interaction. VS Code is used for development. And lastly, the GitHub is used for version control. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Rifat Mahmoud Iman. My ID is 242-35527. Now I would like to discuss about the challenges we face when we implement our project. One of our major challenges was parking slot synchronization. When a vehicle entered, the slot was not showing as occupied, and when a vehicle exited, the slot was not becoming available. We solved the problem by proper connecting the vehicle entry and exit logic with the parking slot. Another challenges was updating the dashboard. The total occupied available slots and revenue were sometimes showing incorrect information. We improved the JavaScript logic to the dashboard updates whenever parking activities takes place. Finally, these challenges give us practical experience about debugging, testing, and developing our complete web application. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Ahnaf Ahmed Johin. My ID is 242-35683. Now I will describe the overall UI of our project. So let's back on the screen. Thank you.
First, the admin have to log in
and the username and password the admin will input will get from the authority. Then I'm inputting the admin username and password. If the admin inputs the wrong password, the system will show login failed. And if the admin forget his password and click to forget password, it will show contact to authority. Okay, now I'm giving the password. Now we are on the dashboard. So here on the left side, there are some functionalities: dashboard, parking slots, reservation, vehicles, entry, exit, parking history, payments, reports. And this button is for reset data. If the admin needs to reset the data, it will ask for, are you sure you want to reset all parking data? Okay, then all parking data are resetted. Then admin can log out from here and also from the admin panel here. And on the dashboard, there are available, occupied, reservation, and revenue section. And this is the parking capacity percentage section. We can see how many parking slots are available. Zone A for car parking, Zone B for bike parking, and Zone C for EV charging. These four slots are permanently reserved for VIP guests. These slots cannot be booked anymore. Okay, from reservation, we can reserve parking slot. Now I'm inputting data, vehicle number, reservation time, vehicle type, bike, parking slot, B15, and reservation date 20. Confirm reservation. It is showing B15 reserved successfully. Here, B15 is on yellow marked, showing that B15 is reserved. This is the functionality of reservation. Now we can also remove the reservation from here, cancel. Okay, and the reservation is cancelled. Now the slot is also available again. Now from here, vehicle entry and exit section, we can vehicle entry and exit. Let's take an example. I am putting data, vehicle type, car, parking slot, auto assign. It will assign to the first available slot. Then park vehicle. It is showing Dhaka Metro Go 21069 parked. Here, the red sign means the parking slot is occupied. When a user comes to an admin, then admin will take the vehicle information and manually input the data into the system, and the admin will assign to the parking slot to that specific user. And the user will go to that spot and park the vehicle in that slot. Okay. Now vehicle exit section. If we choose wrong vehicle number, then it will show error. We have to input the same number we have inputted before. Dhaka Metro Go 21069. If we click remove vehicle, it is showing Dhaka Metro Go is exited successfully, and it shows the slot is free now. And on the dashboard, it will calculate the parking revenue. It is fully automatic and digitalized. The parking revenue will be calculated by the system automatically. If the vehicle waits for a long in the system, the parking revenue will increase. Then vehicle entry and exit. Then here we can see how many transactions and payments and average payments we have gotten today. This is the report, and here we can see the admin profile. The admin who controls the full system's profile will be shown here. We can go to the back dashboard. We can see reservation from here, vehicles, how many vehicles are parked here. Here the reports will be shown. Entry and exit section, we can vehicle entry and exit from this section, and this is the parking history, which vehicle entered, which vehicle reserved, and which vehicle exited will clearly shows from this section. Here the dashboard is showing this is we have collected 100 taka. If we click on reset button, the revenue will be zero. The whole system data will be resetted. And after the successful completion, the admin can log out from here. There are some other minor functionalities that the admin can use dark mode from here. It will increase the design layout, and here the logout and admin profile. If you click logout, the system will get into logout. So mainly there is a history of selecting this project to develop. Now I'm sharing the history. One day I went on a hospital, then I have to wait a long to find a parking space. Then I thought if there is a digitalized system, then it would be very helpful for me to find the available parking space. Then I thought, why wouldn't we develop such a project? And we took decision that we will develop a centralized digitalized parking system that will be controlled from the center of the system. That's all from our side. Though this smart parking system, we aim to make parking management smarter, faster, and more convenient by reducing manual effort and improving the overall parking experience. We hope our project demonstrates how technology can provide a simple, effective solution to a real life problem. Thank you everyone for your time and attention. We would be happy to answer any questions if you have. Thank you.